So in this video, I'm going to show you how to isolate the middle one to this and change the background to black and white. Let's get into it. So this is what we're going to do. So this is my footage and I'm going to duplicate it. So I'm going to hold Alt key. Okay, so the Alt key, I'm going to hold the Alt key. I'm going to click and push it to here. So this is how it's going to do. So duplicate, and I'm going to hide the first footage, and I'm going to use this one. So this one I'm going to move to the marks, the object marks 2. So we're going to click on it. So when you click on it, choose the middle one here. This is the first one. So when you choose it and it comes to the effect controls, so in effect controls, and you will see the object marks 1, and here is going to do it. The tracker, you're going to click on this tracker selected marks for it. So you're going to click on it. Let's wait for a second. So that is it. So you can hide this, this one is just hide already, and we need to just remove this background. So we're going to hold the marks and we're going to drag it to opacity. So this is what we're going to get. Okay, so this is what we're going to get. So from here we're going to bring this one out. Okay, the last, and then we're going to turn this into black and white, the last footage to black and white, and you can see the results now. So simple. So if you need more videos like this, just click here and I'm going to do more videos for you to just learn more about the tips and tricks how to do with all this. See you for the next video. Bye.